Need a Microsoft account for Outlook, OneDrive, Xbox, or Windows? Don't worry. In this video, I'll show you how to create a Microsoft account right from your phone in just a few minutes. So let's get started. First, open your web browser on your phone. Now, search for signup.live.com to open the official Microsoft account creation page. Once the sign up page opens, enter the email address you want to use for your Microsoft account. After entering your email address, tap Next. Now you will receive a verification code. Enter it into the provided field to verify your email. After verification, select your country or region, enter your date of birth, and tap the Next button. Microsoft will ask you to enter your first name and last name, then tap Next. Now complete the human verification by pressing and holding the button. Once the verification is complete, your Microsoft account will be created successfully. You can now use your new Microsoft account to sign into Outlook, OneDrive, Xbox, Microsoft 365, Skype, and other Microsoft services by entering your email and the verification code that you received during sign-in. And that's how to create a Microsoft account on your mobile phone. Thanks for watching.